Hi everyone, my name's Tash and this is a sped up time-lapse version of today's daily creative activity for mindfulness and well-being and wellness. This week the theme is leaf. That's what I pulled out of my lucky dip of themes, and this is doodle day, so we're just creating doodles. I did it on a piece of A4 paper first and just totally forgot to do it in my sketchbook, so you'll see me do it on paper and then swap over. It was great fun just to do something quick and easy, so I recommend if you've got a few minutes and a sketchbook handy, then have a go too. I would say please could you follow and share, like, comment, all those things. It'd be really appreciated. Thank you. Have a good day everyone.